All right, welcome to the channel. If this is the first time you guys are here, go ahead and do me a big favor, guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button on the way in. If you find the content useful inside of this video, which you should, because I'm going to show you the easiest possible way to make 6 figures per year while only having to work 15 to 30 minutes per day. And anyone can do this regardless of age. Doesn't matter if you're good at social media. None of that has to happen because I'm going to show you step by step how to do this inside this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It is greatly appreciated. So what we're looking at here is a business that, by the way, guys, we're on video number 5 of this series. So if you guys are just tuning into the channel, you should be able to go to my channel and look for a video training series. You can go back and start on day number 1. Today, we're on day number 5. And we're going to continue on with sending our emails with a service that we use that only cost us, let me get this FTC disclaimer out of the way real quick, where it only costs you $1 per day to use this service. Whereas normally when you're starting out with affiliate marketing, you would have to go out there, you would have to learn how to generate leads, how to build a website, how to get paid traffic, all of this stuff. But we use a service that goes out there, gets the leads for us, and then allows us to email those leads on our individual accounts to promote any type of product that we want. And that's what we're doing. So I just want to show you guys, here are some of my results. Now, all these results aren't from 100% from this service, but we are going to teach you guys additional methods to start generating more sales. So from this right here, I get on average of using this service, I get on average between 3 to 5 sales per week, or somewhere between 12 to 20 sales per month just using this service. And this is the best way to start generating a residual income, because the way the product that we're going to be promoting, and by the way, the link to join this product is down below this video. It only costs you $25 per month. It is extremely cheap, but it generates an insanely amount of ROI. So we're going to go to October 1st through October 31st. And what I want to talk to you about this business is that it actually builds on itself. So like month 1, you may only, let's pretend this is month 1, right? You may only get, say, maybe 2 sales this month, right? Well, 2 sales is $20 per month times 2. So you're making $40 per month, right? Well, this service and this product, it converts so well and people stay onto it that it grows over time. So let's say now we're on to month 2, right? Well, month 1, we still have that $40 next month, because this is what's called recurring income. So that's supposed to be a little arrow, but it grows as time. Let's say we just get on month number 2, right? So we're on month number 2 now. Let's say we get 3 sales this month, right? So now we got 3 times 20, which is what? It's 40 plus 60, right? So now we're looking at $100 per month, right? Now, like you said, this isn't a get rich quick. Now let's say we're on to month number 3. So we're month number 3, right? Let's say one of these persons just decides to quit, just one. So we're going to carry over from the previous month, because they're recurring, $80. And let's say this month, now that our leads over here that we're using are starting to build up, and you'll understand that in a minute, they start to build up. Let's say we get 5 sales this month, right? Plus 100, right? So now after month 3, you're at $180. Now we're going to help you scale this up a lot faster, but you see how it kind of goes. It's slowly going to keep increasing its sales, even when every now and then a few people drop off. So it's going to, and I'll show you that October, here's the income from October, right? If we go back to September, and then some months you'll have huge spikes and jumps following the training methods we're going to be providing you guys here at a later video. As you can see, it was $33.50, right? And then if you went back, I just showed you, it was up to $34 in October. So if we did October, it went up by about $1,000 in additional income just from the previous month. And in some months, you will have a huge spike where it'll jump up 4 or 5 grand once you get your numbers up and start following along with us. See, we went up about $1,300 from the month before. But now let's go back to August 1st. All right, let me show you something. August 1st. Oh, let me leave my FTC disclaimers up since we are talking about money. So guys, make sure you pause the video, watch the FTC. We had about a $8,000 spike from just one month to the next. And sometimes that'll happen. We are in the winter months, so the winter months are a little bit smaller because people are getting ready and prepping themselves for the holidays. You know, they need to spend extra money on Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween, things like that. So the sales aren't quite as high as they are in the fall. So you guys know that it's just a cycle of the sales, sort of like how normal retail businesses have, you know, sales cycles where there'll be like huge spikes in the fall because of Christmas, right? But then January, February, March, their sales, you know, go way down. Well, affiliate marketing, those are the 3 months that are the slowest months, but it's also the best months to get going and get yourself understanding how this whole system works, because in January is our biggest month. Me personally, in January, between all my affiliate marketing businesses, I usually hit close to 6 figures or more in the single month of January just promoting affiliate products, because everyone, what happens in January? They are starting to do their New Year's resolutions. Okay, so on New Year's resolutions, they're wanting to quit their job, lose weight, things like that, right? So let's jump in here. Let me show you guys how to get this up and rocking and rolling. We're here on day number 5. If you guys haven't joined this already, you're welcome to continue watching the rest of this video. We're just going to be writing and sending a brand new email, so you guys can go directly below this video. Step 1 is to click the link down here. You're going to join this $25 business. It's going to look like this right here. Give me 1 second. Let me copy it. I will pull that up for you. So you'll land on a page that looks just like this right here. This is the $25 all-in-one digital business that we are actually promoting with this service. You're welcome to watch this, but you're just going to scroll right down here and say, yes, I want this all-in-one $25 business. Once you do that, you're going to fill out your information. Go ahead and hit this little checkbox to get the free 2 months. You're going to want to get that, or the first free 2 weeks. You're going to want to check this out. Then you can cancel it anytime, but go ahead and take the 2 free weeks. Come to the 2 Monday night masterminds and try to go through as much information as you possibly can inside those 2 weeks with that free training. So that way you'll get some more information about that. Then you can cancel as you see fit. All right, so the next thing you want to do is join the MLGS for $1. The link is directly below this video. Now, once you've done that, you will have been set up, and then what you need to do is log in to your account. So I'm going to go ahead and log in to my account, and we're going to send an email related to this product right here. This is the product we've been seeing. If you guys have been watching this in the previous 4 videos here on the channel, I showed you guys how to use the sales copy provided for you guys from the My $25 business to write the emails. Okay, so we don't actually have to come up with the emails, nothing like that. We just use the sales copy that's provided from the all-in-one 25 business to write those emails. Then there's also in your back office an additional 50 or 80 emails you can use if for one reason you don't want to come through and write your own emails. But I highly recommend following through, trying to learn how to write your own emails like I'm doing inside this video, because it will make a world of a difference when it comes to deliverability. So let's go ahead and log into our My Lead Gen Secrets account. And then we're going to come up here as always. We're going to go to our mailing system. All right. We're going to ignore this, and we're going to ignore this always. We're going to hit select all. Okay. So we hit select all. It drops them over here. We come down here. Now we need a subject line. So let's go through here and try to find an email subject line. Let's scroll a little bit further down. What is that right there? Let's see here. Let's use that. There we go. Power of 80% commissions to earn up to $100,000 residual income online. Let's copy that. I don't think that's all going to fit, so I'm going to pop that in right here, and I'm going to get this to come down. So 80%, the power of 80% commissions, and we're going to get rid of that to create 100,000 online. All right, let's see if this right here will fit. Okay, let's copy that, and we're going to paste that as the subject. Oh, it fits. Perfect. Okay, because you do run out of characters. See, at a certain point, right? Oh, we got, see, I was only able to put 3 more characters. So what I was doing there was just making sure that it would actually fit. So, and it did. All right, so now let's go find what we're going to put right here. Let's take a look right here. Just turn 1 sale into $74,000 per year. Let's see if I can copy these. All right. We're going to copy that right there. We're going to select all of it, and we're going to change this to normal. We're going to change this to Arial. We're going to change this to 16. Put it all over here. All right, so that's perfect. All right, so it says just 1 sale turns into $74,000, $74,800 a year. Generate just a single all-in-one. Oops. All-in-one, I'm going to put that there in a second. For some reason, my thing isn't wanting to do that, so let's get rid of that. All-in one business customer who remains a monthly customer is up to 6 per month. That's okay, boom. And what's crazy is, where's that at? Because I know they talk about how they do all of, we set everything. I'm just going to put, I know it's up here, but it's, everything's done for you. Like, it's ready in the box, right? See, that's what it is. So we're going to take that right there, and I'm going to drop this down here. We do everything for you. So let me move my mouse up here. We do everything for you, including building your websites, customer support, and follow-up emails. All you have to do is share this opportunity with your friends. And then you're gonna put talk soon. And then we're gonna put your name. All right, so let's just go back through this and let's make this look a little bit better. Hey, just one cell turns into, all right, so we're gonna make this all the exact same font because it's not wanting to be all the same font. It's gonna be Arial 16. Let's get rid of the bolds that's in there. So we're gonna put bold this to 74,000 per year, okay, up to $6,400 per month. People like to look at money. That's $74,000 a year. Boom. So that's what we're going to run with this right here. Okay. And then let me see if I can't see what's going on with this right up here. Let's do heading 1 and then back to normal. Oh, that's because down here is still smaller. There we go. All right, so there you go. All right, so I'm going to pop this up. I'm going to hit a preview real quick so you can see it. So it says the power of 80% commissions to create $100,000 yearly residual income online. Just one sale turns into $74,800 per year. Generate just a single all-in-one business customer per week who remains a monthly customer, and that is up to $6,240 per month. All right, and then so that's it. That's your email, guys, for this this current video. So you're just going to copy this down, put in your name right there, and you don't have to put your name. Like if you want to put something else, you can just write Michael. You can write Jessica. It doesn't have to be your real name. These people don't know you personally, so it's okay. Then you're going to hit this perfect timing, and then you are going to send the email. So we're going to click, oh wait, do not send email. Hit the pause button real quick. We have got to add in our link, okay? And let's fix this just real quick. So click here. We're going to change one thing. I did not add a call to action, guys. Click here to start earning up to $100,000 a year in less than 12 months. All right. So let me go ahead, since I capitalized all the rest of that. I'm trying to get people to click on this, less than 12 months. All right, so let's make sure we add that call to action. Now what we got to do is come up to our SAM cart, copy our all-in-one $25 business letter. So that's going to be your link. And if you guys don't know how to set this up, go watch the previous videos. Also in your back office of your My $25 Business, there's an affiliate tab that will show you exactly how to set this up. But once you've signed up for it, I will actually show you what it looks like here in just one second. I'll go ahead and log in just so you guys can actually see what I'm talking about. So that way I make sure that up here in the affiliate zone, if you don't have it set up, you're going to come here to the affiliate zone first. If you're just watching this video, you're going to go to the affiliate zone, and there's going to be a 4-step video. Make sure you watch these 4 videos. It's going to show you how to set up your business. It's going to show you how to log into your SAM cart. Okay, and SAM cart is free. It's just how you're going to log in and get your actual affiliate link. Okay, so go watch those videos right there under the affiliate zone. There's 4 of them. It'll have your whole system set up and running. So let's highlight this for you guys that have got it set up already. You're going to copy that, hit the little icon right here. It's called a link icon. And then you're going to paste in your all-in-one link that you got from your SAM cart, which is over here. You just hit this copy button. And then you're going to highlight that right there. Now this, I usually like to bold this as well. And I try to make this stand out just a little bit more. So let's 18 it just like that. Okay. And that's it. And you're going to click send your email. Okay. Now what you'll do is you'll do this with as many accounts as you want to. Now we're getting those 3 to 5 sales per week with using this system, but we're also using 3 to 5 accounts. So if you haven't already signed up, make sure you sign up for multiple accounts. You can use your exact same credit card to sign up with multiple accounts, but you'll just have to create different Gmail accounts. So just go to Gmail and create yourself a new Gmail account. And then you can sign up for as many of these accounts as you want. Because here's what we do. Once you send this first email, we leave this open, we right click it, and we click duplicate. Then on the duplicated page, we're actually going to log out, log back in to our next account. So I'll go ahead and log on in to my next account, which is going to be right down here, and I will click log in. Now I'll go to the mailing system. I'll hit select all, right? Same concept. But now look, this email is saved. So we can just, when I go back to the previous tab that I duplicated, it's still there. The email is still there once it's been sent. So we can just copy it, paste the subject line in, scroll down here, copy this because it's already been formatted. It already has all of our links. It has everything. We just copy it, come over here to the new page or the new account and paste that in. You see that? Hit perfect timing, then click send the email, right? And that's it. And that's all that you have to do on a daily basis is to do that. So if you guys have any questions, step one is going to go directly below this video. You're going to need to sign up for the HBA, the all-in-one $25 business. Right after you have completed that, you're going to want to log into your system, go to your affiliate zone, watch the 4 quick start videos so you'll have your account set up. Once you're done with that, you'll be able to grab your links that you're going to be promoting with the system. After you've done that, there'll be a link below this video that will take you to a page that looks just like this, to where you click this big red button. You're going to sign up to get your 100 leads per day or 200 leads per day if you're daisy chaining them. And once you've done that, you'll have your account set up. You'll be able to log into them and email them every single day, once every 24 hours, as you can see right down here. So if you guys have any questions, let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.